Hello, this is Rabia from Dunia Rangrangili. Today I want to show you how to make gold foil texture in Photoshop. So let's start. From here I'm going to the file. I'm opening a new document. The size is 5 by 5 inches. Hit OK. From here I'm taking the foreground color, this gold color. Hit OK. And on the background color I'm taking a darker tone. Hit OK. Simply go into the filter and go into the render, and from here clouds. You will have here this shape. Again go into the filter and just have some noise. I'm adding some noise. I'm taking the noise to 5.29. Hit OK. Now let's move to the filter gallery. Again go into the filter and open the filter gallery from here. I'm having this glass tone. You could have here ocean ripple and many other options. I want the glass here, and the distortion I'm taking to 20. Smoothness to 4. You can see how this appears. I'm taking the 4. Hit OK. Now let's go to the brightness layer. I'm opening the brightness, adjust somehow the brightness from here. I'm taking the brightness to 45. You can also play with this contrast layer from here, but I'm taking it 0. Hit OK. And simply press Ctrl or Command and press here and merge these layers by right clicking. Now I wanna show you how to make the silver foil. Let's duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Hide this layer, and I'm going to open the hue saturation layer. Let's have this saturation 0. And I have this saturation -100. I wanna see the brightness contrast layers, so I'm going for the brightness. I'm increasing the brightness from here. You can increase or decrease the brightness to add some shine, some shining effects. You can also play with the contrast. I'm taking it to the 0. And you can see, press Ctrl or Command and select these layers. Right click and merge the layers. Now I want to show you how to make the rose foil pattern. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, hide this layer, and simply go for the solid colors. I want to have here the rosy pattern, rosy color. Hit OK. Simply go into this layer and press here multiply. Press Ctrl or Command and select these layers and right click and merge. You can see guys, this is all for today. You can also add this to your text. Okay, see you in another video. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.